What's up, creators? Cool here from Authority Videos AI. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how to build a 100K follower influencer brand using AI without ever filming a video, taking a real photo, or stepping into a studio. And here's the kicker. No expensive cameras, no personal filming, no real photos needed. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete influencer brand blueprint using an AI clone of yourself that works 24/7 for you. Sound crazy? Let me show you real proof that this is already happening. Lil Miquela, AI fashion model, 3 million plus followers, brand deals with Prada and Samsung. Imma, AI digital influencer, collaborates with Dior, Porsche, and major luxury brands. AI Angelica, AI content creator, built an entire influencer brand using AI-generated visuals. These influencers aren't real, but they are getting real brand deals, real attention, and real engagement. Now let's create your AI influencer step by step. First, we need to create your AI avatar, whether you want a clone of yourself or an entirely new AI persona. We've got you covered. Option 1, train your AI clone for a personalized touch. 1. Visit authorityvideos.com and create a free account. 2. Head over to the AI Avatar Studio and click the Avatar by Photo tab. 3. Upload 10 plus high-quality images of yourself. 4. AI learns your face, expressions, and features to create a highly accurate clone. With this, you can generate infinite influencer content that looks like you, but in any setting, outfit, or aesthetic. Option 2. Create an avatar by prompt for complete creative freedom. 1. Select the Avatar by Prompt tab in the AI Avatar Studio. 2. Enter a description of your desired avatar. Be creative. Example, a futuristic cyberpunk influencer avatar with neon highlights, a sleek leather jacket, and glowing city lights in the background. 3. Choose from a variety of styles like cinematic, cyberpunk, Pixar, noir, realistic, or vintage to bring your vision to life. Want to create a Pixar-style influencer or maybe a noir-themed vintage look? The possibilities are endless. Whether you're creating a hyper-realistic clone or a completely new character, this step sets the foundation for your influencer journey. Maybe you already have a passion or you're already an influencer. Now AI lets you scale that niche effortlessly. But even if you're starting fresh, here are 4 viral influencer niches that you can dominate using AI. 4 AI influencer niches to dominate: luxury lifestyle influencer. AI generates images of you with supercars, yachts, and high-end locations. Fitness influencer. Show off AI-generated transformations, workouts, and health tips. Business coach and motivational speaker. Generate AI images of yourself giving speeches, appearing in interviews, and leading events. Travel influencer. Post stunning AI-generated images of yourself in dream destinations around the world. But let's take this a step further. Instead of just picking a niche, I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate AI image prompts for each one and show you how to bring them to life instantly. All right, let's go niche by niche and generate some viral influencer content using my AI clone. 1. Luxury lifestyle influencer. Give me 5 detailed prompts for an AI-generated luxury lifestyle influencer using the word avatar. ChatGPT prompt. Outputs for images. 1. Create a high-resolution image of an avatar standing next to a sleek Lamborghini, dressed in a custom designer suit with city lights glowing behind a rooftop infinity pool. 2. Generate an avatar enjoying a private yacht party with champagne in hand, dressed in high-end fashion, with the Monaco coastline in the background. 3. Produce an avatar stepping out of a private jet, wearing gold aviator sunglasses and a tailored suit, with a luxury airport runway behind them. 4. Design an avatar sitting at an exclusive 5-star restaurant, elegantly holding a cocktail, overlooking a breathtaking skyline at sunset. 5. Render an avatar posing inside a luxurious penthouse next to floor-to-ceiling windows with panoramic views of Dubai's skyline. 3, 2, 1, generate. The avatar is literally flexing harder than real life. 15-second video. Prompt: create a luxury lifestyle influencer video with 3 scenes. 1. Avatar stepping out of a Lamborghini in front of a glowing city skyline. 2. Avatar sipping champagne on a private yacht. 3. Avatar posing on a penthouse balcony with a sunset view. Avatar stepping out of a Lamborghini in front of a glowing city skyline. Avatar sipping soft drink on a private yacht. Avatar posing on a penthouse balcony with a sunset view. Now that's luxury. This 15-second reel can go viral in no time. 2. Fitness influencer. Give me 5 detailed prompts for an AI-generated fitness influencer using the word avatar. ChatGPT prompt. Outputs for images. 1. Create a dynamic avatar lifting heavy weights in a futuristic gym, wearing a sweat-soaked compression shirt under neon lights. 2. Generate an avatar sprinting up a scenic mountain trail at sunrise, looking determined with a trail of mist behind them. 3. Produce an avatar mid-action, jumping rope in an outdoor calisthenics park with veins popping and focus in their eyes. 4. Design an avatar doing a high-intensity boxing workout, throwing a punch while sweat flies under the glow of a boxing ring spotlight. 5. Render an avatar in a yoga pose on a beach, sun setting behind them wearing stylish but functional fitness wear. 3, 2, 1. Generate. Bro, AI just gave the avatar 6-pack abs. 15-second video prompt. Create a fitness influencer video with 3 scenes. 1. Avatar lifting weights in a futuristic neon-lit gym. 2. Avatar jogging up a mountain trail at sunrise. 3. Avatar doing boxing drills in a high-energy boxing ring. Fitness goals achieved in just 15 seconds, thanks to AI. 3. Business coach and motivational speaker. Give me 5 detailed prompts for an AI-generated business coach influencer using the word avatar. ChatGPT prompt. Outputs for images. 1. Create a high-energy avatar on stage at a TED Talk mid-speech with a crowd of engaged professionals listening intently. 2. Generate an avatar leading a power meeting in a high-rise executive boardroom, presenting business charts on a sleek LED screen. 3. Produce an avatar closing a multi-million-dollar deal, shaking hands with a CEO, both dressed in elite business attire. 4. Design an avatar sitting on a leather couch during a podcast interview, speaking confidently into a high-end microphone setup. 5. Render an avatar signing a best-selling book deal, sitting at a signing table while flashing cameras go off in the background. 3, 2, 1. Generate. Now the avatar is literally the CEO of everything. 15-second video prompt. Create a business coach video with 3 scenes. 1. Avatar giving a TED Talk on stage. 2. Avatar leading a high-level boardroom meeting. 3. Avatar signing a best-selling book deal on a contract paper as fans applaud. Motivation and influence, packed into a 15-second reel. 4. Travel influencer. Give me 5 detailed prompts for an AI-generated travel influencer using the word avatar. ChatGPT prompt. Outputs for images. 1. Create an avatar posing in front of the Eiffel Tower, sipping coffee at a Parisian cafe with a stylish trench coat. 2. Generate an avatar hiking through the Swiss Alps, looking in awe at the mountain peaks while capturing content for an adventure vlog. 3. Produce an avatar sitting by an infinity pool in Santorini, wearing luxury resort wear, gazing at the Mediterranean sunset. 4. Design an avatar riding a camel in the Arabian desert, wearing traditional travel attire and sunglasses. 5. Render an avatar exploring neon-lit Tokyo streets at night, holding a travel guide and camera. 3, 2, 1, generate. AI has officially made me an international traveler without a passport. 15-second video prompt. Create a travel influencer video with 3 scenes. 1. Avatar sipping coffee in front of the Eiffel Tower. 2. Avatar hiking a mountain trail in the Swiss Alps. 3. Avatar lounging by an infinity pool in Santorini. Posting and growing your AI influencer brand. Now that we've generated high-quality AI influencer images, it's time to actually post and grow your brand. The key to success? Consistency and engagement. People are already making money doing this. Why not you? Automating the process for maximum growth. You don't have to post manually or spend hours managing your brand. You can batch content and schedule it in advance. Imagine posting on social media every day without actually doing the work. AI makes that possible. Monetizing your AI influencer brand. All right, let's talk about making money, because at the end of the day, what's the point of growing an audience if it's not profitable? Think about it. Brands are already paying AI influencers thousands of dollars per post. This is your chance to tap into that market. And there you have it, a complete AI influencer brand built step by step with no filming required. What we did today, trained an AI clone to generate unlimited influencer content, used ChatGPT prompts to create high-quality AI images, showed how to post, grow, and automate your brand, revealed multiple ways to monetize and turn this into a real business. If you're ready to build your AI influencer brand and start growing your audience, click the link below and get started for free at authorityvideos.com.